Hello and welcome to Update 18 on Hurricane Irma. Before this video does start, this is proudly sponsored by Floyd Glass and Window. Check them out in the link below. Let's get right into it right now. Currently, Hurricane Irma has winds of 75 miles an hour, a pressure of 986 hectopascals, movement west-northwest at 18 miles per hour, latitude of 29.5 degrees north, longitude of 82.9 degrees west. So the system is really starting to look a lot like Matthew did when it was about to die out. And so it is very similar to Matthew in that sense. It's also very similar by its track and its intensity, although it was far more intense for far longer than Matthew. The hurricane is a Category 1 though, and is still causing hurricane force winds in parts of the United States. Here is the current forecast that I have given the storm. Irma is still a minimal hurricane, but still dangerous. The Hurricane Center has downgraded it to a tropical storm just barely by 5 miles an hour. I still do consider it a minimal hurricane. There isn't really much of a difference between the two, though. Getting into the watches and warnings, you can see just tropical storm warnings. The hurricane force winds aren't going to be that much stronger than the tropical storm force, to a point that I don't even bother to put hurricane warnings in effect at this point. The entire state of Florida and the Alabama and Mississippi coastlines under a tropical storm warning, as well as the entire coast of Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, and Virginia. Getting into sea surface temperatures, those are looking excellent for this system, although none of its convection is really over water anymore, so there isn't really much of a chance that it will be able to take advantage of those. Wind shear, on the other hand, is looking awful for this hurricane, and is the reason why it is weakening so rapidly despite some of its core still over water. Check me out on social media at Microcasting on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you so much for watching. This is Microcasting St. Louis, signing out.